The risks that we have to take in the defense forces on our decisions that we have to make could cost lives. And therefore, we do take risks after studying the pros and cons, but let me dare tell you that without taking risks, you will not succeed.
In a tragic helicopter crash, General Bipin Rawat, the first CDS of India, has died. General Rawat has been an officer who's been central to India's military planning and operations over the past almost 10 years. General Rawat is, of course, the first CDS who has been appointed by the government. He took over as a CDS in 2020 January, and he had one more year to go till the end of 2022 in his term as a CDS. Prior to this, he was the army chief for a period of 3 years from 2016 to 19, and a lot of important operations have taken place when General Rawat was in command of the Indian Army. The Myanmar strikes happened in 2015. At that time, he was posted in the northeast. The 2019 surgical strikes into Pakistan that almost evolved into a war between the two countries were held when he was the army chief. General Rawat was commissioned into the Gorkha Rifles in 1978. He is also the son of a soldier. His father was from the same unit, and General Rawat has had a lot of experience in counter-insurgency operations in Jammu and Kashmir. He has had several tenures which he was closely involved in counter-terrorism operations. He's also known to be a person who would speak his mind. He was very vocal about things that he was tasked to do. His primary task right now was reorganization of the armed forces. He was working on creation of new theatre commands, which would really change how India would fight wars in the future. He was also in charge of several initiatives like indigenization, the negative imports list, prioritizing capital spending of the armed forces. And as the senior most officer of the armed forces, this is a big day of gloom for everyone. And sadly, in the crash, we also hear that he's lost his wife as well as several other members of his personal staff.